Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Fakhrul Sajib. In this tutorial, we are going to learn what is string in Java. Why do we need to use string in Java? A string in Java is actually an object that represents a sequence of characters. Strings are used for storing text. Java counts position from 0. 0 is the first index position in a string, 1 is the second and 2 is the third. However, length starts from 1. Let's do one example. String name equal, I'm giving my name, Mohammad Fakhrul Alo Sajib. Suppose we want to know the length of the string. SOUT tab the length of the name string is, to give the plus sign, and name and dot length. Set the project, run the project. We can see that the length of the name string is 18. It starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Suppose we want to make this string all uppercase. How to do it? SOUT adapt main dot to uppercase. Set the project, run the project. See, all uppercase. Suppose we want to make this string all lowercase. Then SOUT tab name dot to lowercase. Set the project, run the project. All lowercase. Suppose we want to know the index position of M. How to do it? SOUT, then keyboard shortcut, press tab. I'm giving one message, index position of M is this M is plus name dot index of. Set the project, run the project. See, index position M is 0. That means 0 is the first index position in a string. It is true. Suppose I want to find a character at 0 index, or I want to fetch the first character, that is, here is M. How to do it? SOUT tab character at 0 index is plus name dot char at, see, char index position, that specified returns the char value at the specified index. If we give the 0, then we'll get the first character, char at 0. We can see 0 is M, index 0 position, here it is M. Let's check, run the project. See, character at 0 index, that is M. M. Now if we want to find the character at last index, which is B here, how to do it? To do it, SOUT, then tab character at last index is plus name dot char at name dot length -1. Why -1? Because length starts from 1. That's why we have to subtract -1 to get the last index, which is B. Let's check. Save the project, run the project. See, character at last index is B. You can see here, last index is B, last index is B. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.